What's up, everyone? It's the Nomad Brad, and today I'm going to talk about how to track Clickbank sales in Bing ads. And that's not right. All right, so let's get started. Hey, it's the Nomad Brad here, and today I'm going to show you how you can track Clickbank sales with Bing ads. Why is this so important? Well, as soon as most people go to try running Bing ads traffic to a Clickbank offer, they run into a problem. To run any successful Bing campaign or any advertising campaign whatsoever, having accurate conversion tracking is 100% non-negotiably required. But Bing uses something called universal event tracking instead of tracking pixels, which basically means to track conversions, you usually have to own the website. And Clickbank doesn't allow placing this tracking code on each of their offers. So basically, the whole plan falls apart. You can't just spend money and not know what's working. So there are two solutions that you can use. One is more manual and takes a lot more time, but would definitely allow you the tracking capabilities to accurately track Clickbank sales performance, so you know which keywords, ads, and campaigns to keep and which to cut. This method will be very effective, relatively simple, but it will take a long time to set up, and it will also be a little unruly once you keep building up lots of campaigns. It will require a lot of work up front and a lot of work keeping track of performance as your campaigns run. Or there's another much easier way using a simple tool. I'll briefly explain both. Method 1, the one exact match keyword per ad group strategy. This is exactly how it sounds. You create a new ad group for each exact match keyword. And then you add your keyword data to the Clickbank tracking ID, also known as the TID. Like in the screenshot you see here, you would add your keyword tracking words to the tracking ID section there. So a few tips here. Make sure to add codes that signify to you what you're testing. You can use up to 100 characters, including numbers, lowercase letters, and underscores in the tracking ID. So take advantage of that. Things you might want to test and keep track of are the ad that you're testing, the keyword, or if you've ever seen any of my other videos about Bing, you know I'm really big on separating syndicated and Bing traffic. If that doesn't mean anything to you, then go watch more videos. But you'll want to track that in the tracking ID as well. So here's an example. Syn ad 1A EM dog training book. So the SYN part in blue is to say that it's on the syndicated network. The ad 1A is the ad that's being tested. The match type is EM, exact match. And then the keyword is dog training book. So that would be the exact match keyword you're targeting. And then you would create an ad group with only this tracking link for your landing page. Now, in this method, you will slowly build out however many keywords you want to test for this particular offer. You'll watch for conversions inside of Clickbank, and you'll look for the tracking IDs that you specified. The second method is to use a wonderful tool called Clickmagick. There are probably many tools that can accomplish this, actually, but the one that I tested and really like is called Clickmagick. It has amazing training. It is very easy to set up. And it's packed full of so many tracking and optimization features that I haven't even been able to touch yet. But most importantly, it connects with Clickbank and is notified every time you make a sale. And when you set up your tracking link correctly with Clickmagick, it is able to trace that sale back to everything about the ad group that created that conversion. The keyword, the search phrase, the ad ID, the device type, whether it was on mobile, desktop, or tablet, the exact time, date, and location, and lots more data. And it even allows you to automatically split test landing pages based on these conversions. Obviously, having this tracking show up inside Bing would be the most ideal thing, but since that currently isn't a possibility, Clickmagick is the next best thing. If you want to give it a free 14-day trial, head over to www.digitalnomadrockstar.com/clickmagick. And if you want to know exactly how to profit from your Bing ads, now that you can accurately track your Clickbank conversions, click on the link below this video to watch my free How to Start with Bing Ads Profitable on Day 1 training video. And thank you again for watching. And if you like this video, then click the like button, share with someone, with your friends, whoever, and subscribe to my channel for more internet marketing tips. And yeah, if you want to learn how to use Bing ads, remember to click the link below the video and watch my free training video on how to start with Bing ads.